cleaning the capping station. Operation time, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Cleaning frequency, every day. Make sure to use F200, LF200 washing liquid for cleaning. Make sure to remove media before cleaning the capping station. Press the maintenance key once. Confirm carriage out is displayed, and then press the Enter key. Confirm station maintenance is displayed, and then press the Enter key. Carriage moves to the table. Clean the cap rubber and the cap rubber cover. Put a small amount of washing liquid into the dropper from F200 LF200 washing liquid bottle, and then put in a disposable cup. Soak a clean stick in washing liquid. Make sure not to return washing liquid in the disposable cup into the washing liquid bottle. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the cap rubber with clean stick dipped in washing liquid. If clean stick becomes dirty, replace it with a new one. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the cap rubber cover as well. Wipe off so that washing liquid will not remain. Press the Enter key after the cleaning. Machine LCD returns to local. This is the end of cleaning the capping station. Check together with requests for daily care and maintenance, and operation manual. Perform daily maintenance to keep the print quality.